Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel. So if you recognize my shirt from the previous video, it's because I decided to record two videos in one. Yeah, two videos in one. And for this video, I'll be showing you how I do my eyes, and also I'll be posting this on my Instagram. So if you do not follow me on my Instagram, I'll leave my Instagram name down below. I have two Instagram accounts. One is my personal and the other one is for more beauty related. So yeah, if you do not follow me there, stop what you're doing, go follow me. If this video seems all over the place, just bear with me, okay? So I'm just gonna show you in this video how I do my eyes. First thing I did was prime with my concealer, and I'll be using the Naked Skin Urban Decay concealer. Alright, and obviously I did my eyebrows off camera. So of course I'll be using the James Charles palette. I feel like obviously I haven't used a lot of my other shadow palettes, but I just been obsessed with the James Charles palette. It has every single color. Can you see that? It's in a frame. Yeah, it has every single color you can think of. You can do colorful looks, you can do more natural daily looks. So yeah, I just feel like I can do so many things with it. I might be using my Morphe and Jaclyn Help palette in this video too, but yeah, we're just gonna play with colors and see how that goes. Can't forget the cat ears. I gotta make a confession. I have cat ears for these videos, but I'm not a big cat fan. I mean, I have 4 dogs, no cats, and these ears were cute. I actually start with the Jaclyn. It's kind of beat up, but the Jaclyn Hill palette with Morphe. First color I'm gonna be picking up is this color right here, and that's gonna go all over my crease. Literally just wiping back and forth. No pressure in the brush. I'm trying to be good. I'm trying to post weekly on here and my Instagram. Okay, with my James Charles palette, I'll be going with this orange color right here. I'll be taking this color right here from the James Charles palette, and I'll be putting that all over my crease. I'm honestly challenging myself, trying to do basically 3 videos out of this one makeup look. It's looking a little bit too orange, not exactly what I want to look like. So I'm just gonna go back into the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm gonna be taking in this shade right here. Light pressure. Before I keep continuing with my eyes, I'm gonna go in with highlighter. I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amazing highlighter. It kind of like helps you like separate between brow bones and like crease, not the crease. What's that called? I forgot what it's called. Anyways, you get the point, right? Okay, I'm not sure how I'm feeling about that orange. I feel like I shouldn't have done it, but we're gonna make it work. Alright, so I'm taking the James Charles palette, and I'm using this gold color right here, and that's gonna go all over the lid. I want gold in my life. I'm gonna add this copper foil pencil, eye pencil. I'm gonna add that on top of the yellow. On top of the gold. I'm gonna make those colors together. I think I like that better. I'm gonna go in with this dark brown right here on my outer corners. For the most scary part, cutting the liner, like making a wing liner with concealer. So I'm gonna use again the same concealer that I used for priming my lids. It's the Urban Decay one. And I might be off frame doing this, but so I'm just using this brush that I don't even know where I got it from. That's what it looks like. Up here, I'm gonna start dragging the concealer out, creating a liner. So I'm gonna go in with, I don't know, I really want a yellow. If I want yellow, why not? Right? I want a yellow, so let's do it. So I'm gonna take in that yellow right here. Right there. Make sure you clean up as you go. Whew, tense. Okay, I'm putting lashes on and then I'll be right back. I'll be using the brand Kiss and it's in the style Posy. Alright, this is it for the final look. If you want to see how I did my face or part of the face, which I did cream contouring, highlighting, bronzing, and concealing. Did that in my previous video to this one, so go check it out. It's just basically a how-to, a very quick, easy way. So go check it out, and yeah, so show me some love. Have any other ideas, any other videos in mind, please let me know. Like I said, thank you so much for all the positive feedback. I love you all so much, and make sure you guys are subscribed, make sure you guys are liking the video, and make sure you guys are sharing the video. Just do it all. Turn on your notification if you haven't. Got my social medias down below. I always list those down there. Read the description box. Do it all. Just do it all. And I'll see you in my next video. I love you all so much. Bye.